This is actually how I upload and share videos with my students. I recommend YouTube, and it's super easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how right now. If you are teaching right now during the fall 2020 semester, there's a good chance you're teaching remotely and creating videos that you want your students to watch. And one of the most common software applications for hosting videos that is natively embedded into LMSs is Kaltura, and Kaltura is crashing. It's week 3 and it's crashed every week of the semester. So what is the best alternative? The best alternative is YouTube, and I want to show you exactly how to use YouTube to share videos with your students in this video. So you just finished filming and recording a video for your students to watch, and maybe you recorded a Zoom meeting and did it that way, or maybe you used a screencasting software like Screencast-O-Matic or Camtasia alongside PowerPoint and other media to build your presentation. And so now you have this file that you want to upload to your students. If you want to see how I create my videos, there's a link in the card above. But we have this file and now we're ready to host it. And what many of you have probably been trying to do is upload it straight within your Blackboard or Canvas system using a software called Kaltura. Now, Kaltura continues to crash repeatedly. So there are better alternatives and easier alternatives. So here I am within my YouTube page, and you can see that I have these epidemiology videos here, and they're all put up here as unlisted. And this is what I want to show you how to do. So now that you've got the file ready for your students, you're just going to simply click create. You have to have a YouTube account to do this, but click create and upload a video. And you can actually upload multiple at a time, but I'm going to go ahead and find a video that I want to upload for my students. So let's say I want to upload this key vocabulary lecture that I put together for my students. I have the file, I'm just going to drag it and drop it, and it's going to upload right into YouTube. And I could title this Fall 2020, that way I know what it is. Chances are you don't need a lot of the tools here, but you can put a description if you would like. You can create a custom thumbnail if you would like, but YouTube will choose one, and if you're just sharing it with your students, you probably don't need to worry about this. Same, you can create a playlist that you can reference or share with your students as well if you would like. And then there are more options down here, and the one that I specifically want to point out to you in case you're wanting to use this service is language subtitles and closed captions. So if you want YouTube to automatically transcribe your video, it does an okay job. It's not perfect, but it's maybe better than nothing. Some people might argue that, but I think it's better than nothing. So you can choose video language, choose your spoken language, and you have to certify that it's never aired on television in the United States. And as long as you have those two settings, YouTube will automatically caption your video for you. So you can see that it's processing down here while I talk to you. So let's go ahead and wait for that to finish processing. Okay, it has finished processing, and now we're ready to put the final touches on it. So, video elements, you don't need to do anything here. Visibility is what's important. So, you can make this public for anyone and everyone to see. They could search your YouTube page and find it and see it. Depending on the purpose of how you're trying to use your content, that may be the setting for you, but most likely, you want it to be unlisted, a video that you created just to send out to your students. So if you choose unlisted, it means that anyone with this video link over here and anything with this video link can play the video. And that's important when I say anything. It means that you can embed it directly into Blackboard using this YouTube link. Private, however, requires additional settings and it does not get shared well. So unlisted is what you want to do, and then you click save. And there you go. You can copy your video link and send it to your students however you want. You can send it in email, embed it in your learning management system, or put it into a Google Slides or Google document of some sort. There's a ton of different ways to use a YouTube link as compared to a Kaltura video. So my recommendation to you, the best way to host videos for your students, YouTube. I really hope you got a lot out of this video. I have some other suggestions on the screen here that I think you might like, and I would really appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications so you don't miss anything.